Wet and windy weather slipping southwards, turning colder for all of us, and the cold and settle theme lasts all week long. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday. Weather over in Vietnam.
The scenes there are absolutely awful. So at the weekend, a huge typhoon made landfall. It was the most powerful typhoon, flash flooding, and these scenes are set to get worse. Many people are saying that they've lost absolutely everything in this apocalyptic rainfall, and it's now tracking its way through southwest China into India and Bangladesh in the coming days. So yes, awful scenes there. Still searching for people with more heavy rain to come. And for us in the UK, we will notice a chill through the next few days. A weather front slips south. This is a cold front, and behind it, colder air moves in. And you will notice a real drop in our temperature, both by day and by night in the coming days. Wettest, windiest conditions in the north and west, driest weather in the far south and east. And it will be cold. Poor Andy being chased by rain. At least he brightens our day, at least. Now, he is in Austria. This is his location. He has a weather front over him, bringing with it rain. And if we track back across the UK, we also have a weather front bringing with it rain. Heavy rain across Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England. And that's set to slip its way southwards. And as it does, it blustery showers. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. And the big theme is it is set to turn colder for all of us. So for the north of the UK, Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, today is our day of change. Cold for the rest of the working week, back up to average for the weekend. Percentage chance of rainfall for the next few days, where we have bands of rain and showers moving through. The outlook is pretty wet. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Well, today still holding on to the last of the mild weather, but it turns colder from tomorrow onwards. And a bit of a split with our rainfall. Heavy rain and showers for the next few days, but high pressure moves in for the weekend and things, thankfully, turn drier. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. There'll be a real chill in the air as we head through the next 24 hours. A weather front slips south. The key thing is it's a cold front. Behind it, cold air floods in. We even see some nighttime frost returning in the coming days. And then the weekend, weather fronts progress into the northwest. The southeast looks largely dry. But what does it mean today? Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Weather-wise, it is set to turn a lot colder as we head through the next few days. This is because the weather front slips south. It is a cold front and it allows a northerly flow of air across the country. We see the return of nighttime frosts. But then, by the weekend, weather fronts across the north, dry in the south. So today, yes, it turns wet, then brightening up behind with some really heavy showers, but that is when it turns colder. So this is how it looks right now. It is cloudy for England and Wales, but it is still relatively mild, damp and drizzly under these grey skies. And this is our weather front. Heavy rain across southern Scotland, moving into northern areas of England. Behind it, skies are already brightening, but a real chill here already. So Scotland and Northern Ireland, then Northern England, yes, sunny spells and scattered showers, really gusty winds as they move through. Cold enough for some snow across the tops of the Scottish mountains today. 11, maybe 12 on the thermometer, and in the winds, it will feel more like 4 or 5 with this rain to come in the south. Tonight, it slips away. Cold, clear conditions for many of us, so a chilly start to the day for many, even a touch of frost in the north.